Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So today I'll be making this simple but delicious spinach stew. This stew you can have it with your rice, with your plantain, yam, cocoyam, or potatoes. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So for my ingredients, I'll be using 3 red chili, 1 large onion, and 2 fresh tomatoes, and 1 seasoning cube. Here I have my cow skin. I have also snails and cow tribes already boiled. I have smoked fish. I have here red oil, salt, and some blended shrimps. I have my fresh spinach, which I'll be washing and then roughly cut. So I'll start by cutting my spinach into big chunks. Feel free to cut yours into any size that you want. I just want to cut mine into big chunks. I don't want it too thin and too big. So after that, I'll just go ahead and add in my boiled water, and I'm just going to bleach this for about 1 minute. I don't want it overcooked. I don't want it to be soft. I want to feel that crunchiness when you are eating it. But please feel free to do yours anyhow that you want it, or to your desirable choice. Just feel free to do yours. After that, I'm just going to bring it out of the water, the hot water, and then I'll add cold water, and I'll be rinsing this in the cold water twice. You can also add ice if you prefer, but there is no point adding ice at this point because the weather is getting cold and the water is very cold. But if you live in an environment that is, the climate is hot and the water is just warm water, just feel free to add in some ice cubes and then just leave it to set for about 10 to 15 minutes in the cold water, and then after you can go ahead and drain the water out. So at this point, I'm just going to chop my onions. Please just cut yours into any size or any shape that you want. And then after that, I'll go ahead to cut in my tomatoes. Any stew or sauce or any food you are preparing, please feel free to use any ingredient of your choice. It must not be exactly what I'm using in my videos. Feel free to use anything that you like. And after that, I'll go ahead to chop my fresh red chili. I just want to roughly chop it, but you can also blend yours if you still wish to. And that is done. So I have my oil already on the fire, just adding my onion. And I'll just let it fry for about 1 minute. I don't want to over fry the onion also. And after that, I'll go ahead to add in my fresh tomatoes. Then just stir everything together and let it fry. And then add your boiled meat, any meat that you are using. You can also use fish or fried fish or anything that you love. And I'll just leave it to fry for about 5 minutes. As I said before, I don't want to overcook this stew. I just want everything to be perfect. And then I just add in my chopped pepper, my blended smoked shrimps. So I just give it a stir, and then after I'll just add my smoked fish. Stir all together and make sure all is well combined. And at this point, I just add in my seasoning cube. And then I add a bit of salt, mix all together. And after that, you can taste for salt and see whether is more needed for salt, or you taste it to your taste. And at this point, I just go ahead and add in my spinach. As you can see, this spinach is looking very fresh, very green, not too soft, just perfect the way I want it. Go ahead and mix all together, make sure all is well combined. And after that, I will just let it cook for just 1 more minute, and this stew will be ready. So I had mine with some white rice, and oh my goodness, it was so delicious, so simple, very easy. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if today is your first time for clicking. Thanks for clicking. My name is Pat, and you are very welcome to this channel. Please don't forget to hit that red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to like this video. I hope you find it very helpful, and I will see you all in my next one. Please stay safe. Bye.